Alright, so today we're going to take a look at how to set up for an amperage draw inspection to take a look at the brushes of a fuel pump. We've got the modus here. This is your home screen. So we're going to scroll on to the scope section, select loud scope, and we're going to hit low amps 20. Let that puppy load. We have our handy snap-on low amp clamp, and we're going to have it set to the lowest setting and zero it out. And you can see no reading. Come on over to the power wire of the fuel pump. We're going to flip it over to see what it looks like when it's reversed, and you can see we have negative 11.55 amps. So that means we're reversed. And we're going to flip it over. Okay. Now we see a nice brush pattern. The trigger is actually set where it should be. If your trigger is not set where it should be, you'll get a pattern that bounces around. So once you get the actual trigger where you want it, it'll stabilize the pattern and make it look very nice. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pause it. So we end out of there. Scroll up to the pause bar. And from here, we can take a good look at exactly what's going on with each of these brushes. This pump is brand new. This is a 2004 E320. So 11.5 amps is considered normal. From here, you guys can show your group leads if you have any questions on what it should look like, or the shuffle bit. And here is a good relay. As expected. And this is what a latched bad relay across the high amperage side looks like when switching on and off.